we can already hear the sound of volcano, or of the steam that comes out of the ground. It seems that it's south, and that's why I'm a little bit scared, because you can feel it in the air already. But I'm so curious what's over that edge. Let's go and find out. We're gonna jump now. Oh, what a jump! What a jump! We're right on the edge. It's for the first time when I'm so close to a volcano. I'm glad that this one is peaceful. But already the clouds are coming in, and I will try to show you. Oh, come on! People wrote different things down there on the lake. Unfortunately, it seems that this steam it's already covering. Oh my god, everything is covered. Don't worry, I know my way back. It's right way, that way, and if I need, I will jump again. It's for a Superman jump, right? Anita! Röntgen! And we're back. Can you see the love in the waters? Interesting. Interesting, very interesting. It's, well, you feel like you're back a couple of million of years, and I expect the pterodactyl to come up from over those cliffs.